All right, welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and today we're talking about a new controller for the channel. So stay tuned. All right, so welcome back. So yes, talking about a new controller. You can see it right here. We got a new FlySky controller for the channel. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this thing. So it comes in this nice, awesome case. So when you open it up, bam, it is the Noble Pro. So this thing's pretty cool and it's pretty modular. I'm not going to do a full in-depth review of this. I know a lot of people have done this before. All right, so you got the controller. That is the battery pack. Now internally in here is an 18650 battery. You can get, if you pull this handle off here, you can actually get inside of there and change that battery out if you need to. But this guy right here comes with this little charging base. So you set that down, you can put that bad boy on it and plug it in and charge it up. So with that, let's go ahead and get the battery on the controller. All right, so we got the battery on the controller. You can actually even run this without this pack on it if that 18650 battery in here is actually running. So you can actually disconnect that, throw it on the charging thing. You still got the battery on this, so you can run it while you're charging it. And then this thing, once the battery goes low, this bad boy kicks on and starts recharging your 18650 battery. Now, it comes right here. You can put your cell phone on it, so you can, right back here is a little knob, so you can raise it up, put your cell phone on there, adjust it to the height you need, collapse it down. Now this guy right here can swing either side, so it'll move this way if you want to control it on that side. If you want to have it at any kind of angle, no matter where you want to manipulate this around, however you want to control it. The steering wheel, there's different sizes. This is the one that, this one actually came on it and I swapped it out, but it's a smaller steering wheel. So if you got smaller hands, you can use that. Or if you got big hands like Stitch does here, he's got to have that little bit bigger control. To turn this bad boy on, there's a button right here in the back.
Welcome to Noble Pro.
And there you go. You can kind of see the screen. I'm outside right now because it's hot in my garage. And I still have the little protective coating on it. But it's got, there you go, you can see it a little bit. But like even when I pull the trigger, you'll see that it adjusts and tells you which direction. And even when you turn the steering wheel. It's got buttons for days, and you know, it's awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and give this bad boy a shot and try this out. I believe you can connect up 20 different RCs to it. So it's pretty good. And it comes in this nice little stowage container. So we're going to give that a try. We're going to try out this Noble Pro. Normally I've been using the Spectrum DX5C, and I like it, but I wanted something with a little bit more functions and something that had a little bit longer range. And I've heard these have a little bit longer range than the DX5C is, you know, especially when we're running our road cars. So we're going to give it a shot. And it's got already this built-in little spot for putting my cell phone. So while I'm out there, I can be videotaping right through the phone and recording it. It comes with, you know, this other kit here with all kinds of additional stuff. Comes with a little lanyard, but it's not as cool as the ones that I make, the SK Hobbies lanyards. I might be able to make some little wrist ones like this. It comes with a parts kit. You can change it out and remove This little piece here, you can remove that. You can slim it down. It's got different little knob functions. It's got an extension. You can put this in place of the cell phone holder. You can mount a GoPro. It's got different triggers. Comes with even a little Allen key for it. It actually comes installed with this hand grip on it, but you can get the little fatter grip on it for, you know, bigger hands. And that's what I did, is I swapped that out. Comes with a handy dandy Noble Pro quick start guide. This is the cable for the charger, or the wireless charging port. Comes with an assortment of springs for tension, and you can also replace it. So yeah, I do like the fact it comes with this nice awesome stowage case, so it's no longer going to get dinged up and damaged around the shop and in travel. So there you go, new FlySky controller for the channel. We got the FlySky Noble Pro. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll give you some feedback on it once I'll get you some more feedback on how I like it after I get out and play with it. I haven't actually had a chance to play with it because all my RCs were going through some modifications. So I'll let you guys know. We'll do another follow-up video here in a month or so, and we'll figure things out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bash that bell. I am Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.